Hi everyone. Last time we talked about how to make feminine dangle lines, and today we're going to do the exact opposite, which is how to make masculine dangle lines. And as you can see, the very first line is just what looks like it's a straight line. That is the simplest form of a masculine line. All masculine lines have sharp angles, definite bends. They are hard. There's nothing flowing about them like on the feminine lines. In case you're not familiar with my concept of feminine and masculine lines, I've got some videos that talk about that, and I will post links in the description box below so you can check those out. Okay? All right. You can take a lot of what I talked about on the last video and apply it to this one about like this being kind of like the backbone of a dangle. This would be the first thing you would put down and then add to it to create your dangle. And also, a lot of these would make pretty nice borders too. So now this one is just like taking part of a box and doing, or a rectangle, doing it to the left, then going down a little bit, doing it to the right, and then just repeating that. And for those not familiar with how I work, you'll notice that I have a piece of paper between my hand and the page that I am drawing on, and that is to keep my hand from smudging the pencil lines. It's much easier to do that than to go back through with an eraser and erase the whole paper. Okay, carrying on. And now this one that I'm working on, I don't know, it almost looks like a sideways oscilloscope or something. But it is a zigzag that gets progressively smaller as you go down towards the bottom. And then at the bottom, there is a point that it goes back out and then in again. I debated heavily if I should just have it go down to nothing and then a straight line, or do it the way I did it. I liked both of them, but I picked this one. So this would be a really good thing to practice, and practice putting some dangle elements onto these. And if you would like for me to, I would be happy to make a video picking one or two of these and doing them in a few different ways to show you some variety. If you would like for me to do that, please post it in the comments below and let me know. And then also let me know if you have any one or ones that you would like for me to use. Now, obviously, the straight line would be the hardest one. I would have to add something to it, unless I just put like beads or something straight down. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like. I would love it. Hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos. And comment in the comment section. I would really enjoy hearing from you. And now the one I'm doing, I think this might be my favorite one of the bunch. Either that or the one right next to it, the zigzaggy one. I love the swirls that are done in the masculine style. You know, the hard angled swirls. I think they're just really fun. Okay, and I created this video at the same time I did the one on feminine lines. So I will just repeat myself by saying, please excuse my dishpan black polka dotted hands. I just moved and I've been working really hard scrubbing things, and then when I was getting ready to make this video, my Sharpie bled all over me, so I have some pretty weird looking hands in this. Okay, now this is the last one, and I've included more of those angular swirls. And this one, if you'll notice, is a little bit different because it's got more than one line. I think you can see that. It's in pencil, but I think you can see it. But anyway, I thought it would be a good time to branch out a little and show you how you can add more than one vertical line and get a pretty neat effect from it. The next video I am going to do is going to be a combination where I mix masculine and feminine together, and that will be up very soon. And once again, this is a really fast video. These don't take any time at all. And now look at these real quick before it's time to go. I think a lot of these would make really cool borders like the zigzag one. Okay, well, that's all the time I've got. I'm out of time. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again really soon. Much love, Olivia.